Welcome back to DeezyVision. Today we are back here in downtown Nassau because I wanted to come out and see how things are looking out here nowadays. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know that last year I did a video down here in downtown right after the pandemic had happened and the pandemic had, started to shut things down. And, at that time, downtown was a real ghost town because no cruise ships were coming in. Businesses were shut down, and we didn't have any tourists on the island like that. And so, downtown looked like a complete ghost town. But now cruise ships are finally back in Nassau. Actually, a few months ago, cruise ships started docking back here in Nassau. So I came downtown to see how things are looking. I thought I'd bring you along with me. So if you're ready, let's go check it out. Now, as you can see, there are two ships in port. It is Saturday, October 2nd, as of the making of this video. There are two ships in port, Crystal Serenity and Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. Now, I know that the Disney Cruise Lines have been coming back here to Nassau and docking in Nassau also because they're Castaway Cay, their island Castaway Cay. They have begun taking visitors there, and Royal Caribbean has also begun taking visitors back to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So you can see all the taxis lined up out here to pick up the visitors and take them to wherever they want to visit here on the island. Also, you can notice that there's a lot of construction going on also because they are doing some renovations, and we're gonna have a brand new port in 2022. All right, now I see they have this area behind Rawson Square set up like I guess a little straw market. And as you can hear, trip there. As you can hear, there's some live music going on. There's vendors set up, and this is the area right behind Rawson Square. right now that the cruise ships are coming back in and we have visitors touching the land. You know, more of the souvenir shops are now open downtown here, and I don't think a lot of these were open the last time I did a video like this. Okay, so we ended up stopping at Allure Jewelers, and Mark Joe ended up getting a bangle with a free charm. One of those charms are free. Actually, both of them are free. So shout out to Allure Jewelers. Wasn't expecting this, just came to see how downtown was looking, and she ended up walking me with a free gift. You know, as I'm looking at the Crystal Serenity docked here, I realized that I don't know much about this ship. So I'll definitely have to look up more information on this ship. Okay, so decided to stop at Sharky's because they have one of the biggest, or they are the largest gift shop downtown here in Nassau. So let's go inside and take a look at what they have to offer. Just walking around into my friend Captain Morgan here. How you doing, guy? Okay, now this is a view from the front side of downtown. As we were walking, didn't see as much tourists as I thought we would. I'm kind of not surprised because things are still trying to progress. You know, as far as, you know, with the borders being open and people traveling and stuff like that. So I kind of wasn't too surprised. And then there are only 2 ships in port. It's also good to see the Athena Cafe is back open. I don't think they were open the last time I did a downtown video. And so this is definitely a good sign. And, you know, also more stores are open too. A lot of them that were closed the last time I did a video down here. So, you know, we get in there slowly but surely. Okay, so unfortunately, this hasn't opened as yet, straw market. But according to what the lady just told us, through here they have the mini straw market. So let's take a walk and see what they have set up here. Hopefully they get the big straw market open back soon. So you have traditionally what they would sell in the straw market, like the bags, some woodwork, those little drums, see the straw bags and stuff like that. And you have more down here. Take a walk down here. As you can see here, they have little handmade jewelry items. You have your bags, t-shirts, hats. This thing's blowing in my face right here. So until the big straw market opens back, they've opened up a mini straw market. Okay, so I decided that I'll stop today's video here and just give a little overview of what I thought. Now, like you saw earlier in the video, there's a lot of construction going on because they are doing a complete overhaul of the port. And when it's done, we say we're going to have a bigger and a better port. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. And I'm sure that all of the visitors that come in will really appreciate that. There were 2 ships in port today. I didn't know what to expect, didn't know if the ships were full, you know, at half capacity or what. But taking a walk downtown and looking around, there was an okay amount of visitors here on land. I thought it would be more because that's what we're used to, especially on days like Saturdays and the later days of the week when the ships come into port. We're used to having a lot of the visitors downtown, and you know, there just being a lot of them. Now I think that some of our hotels are still doing that thing where they operate like a bubble. So I don't think we're going to be seeing much of the Atlantis visitors and the Bahamas visitors coming downtown. Now it is after 4 in the evening as I'm doing this video, so I don't know if time played a factor today, but I can say that it looks way better than it did the first time I came. So we're making some progress. It's slow progress, but it's better than no progress, so I'll take it. I'm happy with it, and I'm sure as the months roll on, we're going to see more and more visitors coming in. Downtown is going to come to life, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and give it a big like, because it really helps the channel. Also, make sure you check out all of the links that are left in the description section for you, and if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.